Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you how to recover your Pinterest account when you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're not yet. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first thing to do, go to your Pinterest application from your app drawer and tap it open. You can also go visit your web browser and type in www.pinterest.com, and then once you reach the home screen, simply tap on the email address box and select your email address. Simply type in your email address in the email address text field. Once you do that, tap on the continue button at the bottom, and when they enter, your password text field appears. If you know your password, then you can easily enter it there and then log into your account. But since we are recovering our Pinterest account since we don't remember the password, let me go and tap on this link right here that says Forgotten Password. Once you tap on Forgotten Password, you'll be able to see an expanded menu at the bottom. It says that, and instructions to pick a new password have been sent to the following email address that is associated with the account. Tap on OK and go see if you received an email. This is the email that I have received. Simply tap on Reset Password to open with either a web browser or Pinterest application, and then you'll get to enter a new password for your account. Type in the new password that you'd like to reset. You can double check your password by tapping on this Show Password box and tap on Login, and that way your password will be changed for your Pinterest. Next time you log into your account, remember that you have changed your password to a new one. Once you have the correct password, you will have no problem logging into your account. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.